Hi, last week we had a tutorial to show you how to do light bulbs, and since that time a question has come up as to how to turn the picture from day to night. And I found out that the person who asked that question was using Elements, and Elements doesn't have the same ease of adding a daytime to a nighttime color on the screen. The one that's in Photoshop is the one where you do an image adjustment and then go to color lookup, and color lookup is not available in Elements. But when you do color lookup, and I went a little bit fast on that, but there are several ways that you can change the color and look of the picture. So if you want to do the night from day or day to night, you come down here and you select this night from day or moonlight. Those two are pretty much the same. You can also go in, and if you want to make it even a little darker color, which changes it to a purple, in addition to adding the night from day, you can go in and on top of that do late sunset, and it changes it to a darker color. And when that happens, and I'll show you what the best way to do that is, if you want to use that, is to do a Control J to make a copy of that particular layer, and then do an image adjustments, color lookup, and then come down and do the late sunset, and that'll change it to a purple, and then you can change the opacity on that and make it a little bit lighter, but then maintain kind of the purple. So you can either use the dark color there or the color here, and that'll give you the color that you want for nighttime. Now, if for the people who are using Elements, I downloaded and installed Elements, and the same thing can be done in Elements, except it's not as easy. It's a little bit more manual. So what I do here is I go up and I add another layer. Then I click on Layer and New Fill Layer and add Solid Color. And then what I do is I select the mode and set it to multiply, and then I click OK, and then I can come over here and I can add the color that I want to the background to make it look like night, any color that I want to make. So I can move this around to set this to be dark like that, and when I say OK, it creates another layer with that color over the top of it to make it look like nighttime. Now the nice thing about doing it this way is you have this box here. You can double click on this box and you can change this color at any time just by double clicking on it and moving it to a color that you like. So if you compare this color to the color that we had over in Photoshop, it's pretty close. So that's how you add nighttime in Elements.